This story begins in the early 20th century off the coast of the Greek island of Antikythera. In 1901, sponge divers discovered the wreckage of a 2,000-year-old Roman cargo ship. Among its treasures lay a corroded and mysterious artifact known today as the Antikythera Mechanism. The Antikythera Mechanism is a complex astronomical calculator, believed to have been built around 150 to 100 BCE. It consisted of a series of interlocking gears and dials housed within a wooden or bronze case. Originally, the device was encased in a protective box with instructions and labels that have unfortunately been lost to time. What makes the Antikythera Mechanism truly remarkable is its purpose. Through intricate gear systems, it was designed to calculate celestial events, including the positions of the Sun, Moon, and planets. It also predicted lunar and solar eclipses, as well as the timing of various sporting events and religious festivals. The technological sophistication of the Antikythera Mechanism is mind-boggling, especially considering its age. It was way ahead of its time, with gears and mechanisms that demonstrated a level of precision and engineering knowledge that was unparalleled in antiquity. For decades, the true complexity and purpose of the Antikythera Mechanism eluded researchers. It wasn't until the 1950s that advances in imaging technology allowed scientists to peer beneath the layers of corrosion and unravel its secrets. Through painstaking analysis and reconstruction, scholars discovered that the Antikythera Mechanism was an astronomical computer capable of predicting celestial events with remarkable accuracy. Its gears and dials were linked to various cycles and orbits, providing a visual representation of the cosmos. The Antikythera Mechanism not only showcases the incredible technical skills of ancient engineers, but also sheds light on the scientific and philosophical knowledge of the Hellenistic period. It reveals a society deeply interested in understanding and predicting the movements of the heavens. Today, the Antikythera Mechanism serves as a testament to the ingenuity and curiosity of our ancient ancestors. Its discovery has reshaped our understanding of history and the level of technological advancement achieved by civilizations long gone.